So, this is my chicken coop I built. This is my nest box that I built from a $5 door from a thrift store of some kind that we have. And we keep it a little bit heated with some lamps. But that's not what I'm here to show you. This may be crazy, but my boyfriend built this for me. I don't know, it's kind of dark. I don't know if you can see it. It is a 259-gallon stock tank with a bathtub drain installed for my compost worms. Let me get the light over here. I had so much luck with compost tea. Not to be mistaken, I have found for the worm pee. That's something separate that comes out, which I guess if you water that down makes a good natural pesticide. But using about a couple cups of worm castings and water and a little bit of molasses, and you leave it bubbling for a day or two, and it worked just phenomenal in my garden. See if I can pull back and see any worms. So they eat my junk mail, they eat, there's one moving up on the cardboard, they eat cardboard, they eat paper, they eat junk mail, they eat whole mailboxes, or mail, phone books, old clothes. I threw all my old vegetables in here, all of my leaves, all my neighbor's leaves, which she appreciates. Pretty much anything, eggshells, coffee grounds. I even take my parents' coffee grounds when I show up to visit. And, well, there's a good batch. I started out with 3,000 worms, and I have no idea how many I have in here now, but pretty much everywhere I move has worms. I don't know if they'll even show up. But pretty much everywhere in here I have worms, so I have no idea how many I have. But this way it stays in the chicken coop, but is protected from the chickens, but it stays warm, so they're still going. And now I'm going to have a lot of nice soil to mix in with my dirt beds and that in spring. So